Hi everybody, Mark Carey from Steepleview Farm. I was watching one of my favorite farmers on YouTube the other day, Curtis Stone, the urban farmer. And in the middle of one of his videos, he came up with a great idea. He said, you know, those of you who are out there doing this, who are farming and raising delicious, healthy food for people, really ought to take that knowledge and share it. And I thought about that for a minute, and I thought, well, you know, we try to do that through our videos. We try to do that through our Gardening with Mark series on YouTube. And we try to do it every day for people who come to visit. But you know, there are an awful lot of people who might like to learn how to garden, maybe want to raise a garden and participate in farmers markets, or maybe just want to improve their own gardening skills. Well, after 30 some odd years of gardening here at Steepleview Farm, it finally occurred to me, I've learned a few things. Some of the things I learned from doing them right. Other things I learned from watching and reading and studying a lot of other farmers. And some of the things I learned from doing wrong, mistakes that I've made that maybe I can help you avoid. So we're announcing that we're going to hold our first workshop at the farm on gardening and on farming for the market gardener as well as for the home gardener. And that workshop will be scheduled depending upon the level of interest that we get in the next few weeks. Now, if you'd like to participate, more details will follow, but we'd love to invite you down to Steepleview Farm for a few hours one day, a question and answer session, a tour of the farm, a view of everything we do every step of the way, from the selection of seeds to the raising of the babies, to the transplanting of the seeds into the field, and how we tend to them and how we nourish them and how we nurture them until they produce the delicious food that we make here at Steepleview Farm. All of that in a little workshop. We'll probably have some food to eat, and we'll have some other goodies going on too, but all of it's going to be dependent upon the level of interest we get. So if you're interested, please send us a message. Please send a private message, put a post below this, give us a reply, and let us know, because we would love to see you here. A workshop on gardening and farming at Steepleview Farm coming up later this spring. We hope to see you here.